Attention! Attention! An emergency situation has arisen in the plant that has not yet been brought under control. Please follow the instructions of the evacuation team to proceed to the designated assembly points.
Evacuate calmly and quickly, without running, following the evacuation team's instructions. Stay calm, don't panic, shout, or cause confusion. Just remember that acting desperately can lead to falls, stampedes, and accidents, putting yourself and all plant staff in danger. Do not carry heavy objects or items that obstruct your view, as these can hinder your ability to move, complicating the evacuation process. Don't waste time looking for stuff. Follow the designated evacuation route without wandering off or turning back for any reason at all. Emergency team members will guide all people to one of the assembly points following a safe route. Next, we will see the designated assembly points for use in any emergency. Assembly point number 1 at grassy area in front of the main gate. Assembly point number 2, grassy area fronting visitor parking. Assembly point 3, grassy area in front of warehouse. As you can see in this animation, these are the evacuation routes that have been established in case of an emergency.
Would you like us to develop a custom video for your company? With characters adapted to your corporate image, animated in real-life settings from the facilities of your company, and with the specific safety rules of your